Welcome to the 2016-2017 VSB Robotics Competition. The object of the game is to maximize your score within 60 seconds of match play. Each robot team consists of a robot and 2 human drivers per match. There are no limits as to the number of human drivers per robot team, but each driver can only drive one designated robot per event. The robot team with the highest score and with the lowest number of match attempts will win the competition. For January 2017, the game theme is recycling. Recycling is played on an 8 feet by 8 feet VEX Robotics competition playfield. Recycling is played with one robot at a time, competing for the highest score possible. The game objects are 222mm pop cans. There will be 30 pop cans used for each match. There are 3 ways to score in this game. First, score directly with a pop can in a score zone. There are 4 scoring zones, each with a different value of scores. The first score zone, the floor goal, each pop can in this score zone is worth 1 point. The second score zone, the landfill, each pop can in this score zone is worth 2 points. The third score zone, the dumpster, each pop can in this score zone is worth 3 points. The fourth score zone, the tabletop, each pop can in this score zone is worth 4 points. The second method to scoring, stacking cans. The stack must be freestanding and unassisted in order to be qualified for scoring. There are 2 locations where stacking cans will be counted, the floor goal and the tabletop. Only the tallest stack will be counted. 2 cans stacked, 5 points. 3 cans stacked, 10 points. 4 cans stacked, 20 points. 5 cans stacked, 40 points. The third method to scoring. Points will be rewarded to the robot holding the game object above the foam tiles. The referee will measure the held game object at the end of the match. For every inch off the foam tile, between the foam tile and the bottom of the game object, is worth 1 additional point. In order for this option to be counted, the robot must be touching the foam tile and not touching any other game elements and/or game structure. This will include the perimeter wall. There are 2 color foam tiles for this game. The robot will start at a color foam tile. The game elements may be placed in the other color foam tile. There are 3 ways to play the game in the VSB Robotics competition. Option 1, driver control. 2 drivers will take turns to drive the robot for 30 seconds each. They will begin to trade the joystick when they hear the first beep signal. The trade must be completed by the second beep signal, similar to the VEX IQ game match timer signal. If the trade is not completed within the allotted time, the match is considered disqualified and will count as a match attempt by the robot team. Option 2, semi-autonomous control. Any robot that competes in semi-autonomous mode will have their scores doubled. This means that a human operator controls the robot for the first or last 30 seconds of match play, and the robot will run the alternate 30 seconds autonomously. Trading will occur the same way as outlined in Option 1. The remote control unit must be placed inside the playfield or given to the referee during the autonomous mode period. Option 3, full autonomous control. Any robot that competes in full autonomous mode will have their scores tripled. The remote control unit must be placed inside the playfield or given to the referee during the autonomous mode period. All drivers must stay within the designated driver zone at all times during the 60-second match play. Any game object that has left the field during the match will not be returned to the field during the match and will not be counted at the end of the match. The robot team with the highest score and the lowest number of match attempts will win the competition. The winning robot team will receive a golden ticket, which will enable free entry for all the robots, up to a maximum of 5 robots, for their school for the next consecutive competition. Please check back at the game website often for the latest information, updates, and changes. Good luck, everyone!